You want that? You don't want that. No, you can't have that. Why would you want that? It's just beef jerky. Tina, this is the beef jerky that I got from you. Nobody here likes it. No, you can't have it. No way, you can't have that. No, we can't have it.
Tell him, Titan.
Tell me. Do you want it? Ann, do you want it?
Do you want that, Titan?
Do you want that?
Tell him.
Do you want that jerky? No? What? You want that?
Okay, give him some.
There you go. There.
Here.
Oh, another piece. Okay, you want another piece? You don't want that one. You want that? You don't want that. You want that? Yo! There we go. Carpet jerky.
All done. What do you say?
Say thanks, Tina.
You're still looking for more.
There's no more.